Hi there, students. To offset. To offset is a verb meaning to counterbalance, to compensate, to reduce the effect of something, to counteract. So, for example, in business, the extra cost of providing good quality will be offset by the extra profits that we make. So, extra cost is offset by extra profit. We could offset this investment against tax. So, by spending money on this investment, it will reduce, not to zero, but reduce our tax bill. We will receive an insurance payment after this accident to offset the loss. Okay? Maybe you've heard of offset in printing. Offset printing. Well, normally when you print something, you have a plate which has your design on it, and you put ink on this plate, and then you push it against a piece of paper and you have your print. Offset is when you have this plate with your design, and instead of putting it straight onto the paper, it goes onto a rubber sheet, and that rubber sheet then prints the what you want to print, prints your product. So the reason they use offset here is because the plate does not go directly on the paper, but it is offset. It goes onto the sheet and then onto the paper. Apparently offset printing is good for big runs of things, but it's expensive to set up. In botany, for example, botany, plants, if you have a plant that's growing and you have a shoot that comes out from the side laterally at the base, that is an offshoot. So we use offshoot meaning not centered, not from the normal place, maybe not at a vertical angle or a horizontal angle. For example, in plumbing you have a pipe, and an offset would be where the pipe goes round an obstacle. Okay, so there's a part that's offset. It's not at the same level or in the same direction as the rest of the pipe. You could use offshoot as well. It's not common, offset, to mean an offshoot. So this invention is an offset of an earlier invention. It's like it branches out from the side of the plant. Okay? So, offset, not centered. The pictures on the wall were offset from the center. You need to offset that one a little bit, move it to the side, maybe so it's not in parallel or in perfect harmony. You could offset it something at an angle as well. Notice you can use to offset meaning to juxtapose, to contrast. Let's see, that blue t-shirt sets off your eyes. It offsets your eyes. Okay, it shows the contrast quite well because there are different things. Okay, his agility offset his opponent's strength. Here I'm going back to compensate. Yeah. So to offset, to compensate. I think we are working in this world to improve energy efficiency. However, I think those savings will be offset by third world demand. So we will save in one place, but we won't save in another. You can also use to offset, meaning to make an allowance for, compensate again. Normally this trip takes 30 minutes, but we'll have to leave extra time to offset the rush hour, to compensate, to take into account. This job has very low pay. The salary is low, but the extra benefits, the day's holiday and other things you get, will offset that low salary. So notice you offset A against B. Compensate completely or reduce the effect of. Now notice to offset is an irregular verb. Offset, offset, offset. So don't make a mistake there. Now what about formality? I think to offset is a neutral verb, and I think it sounds very good in the casual conversation. I also think it sounds great in a formal document. So you can use it anywhere, but don't forget it's an irregular verb. Okay, so to offset, to counterbalance one thing against another, or to reduce the effect of something. So in business, the extra cost will be offset, counterbalanced by the extra profits. In printing, it goes onto a metal plate, onto a rubber sheet, and then onto the paper. So it's not direct, it's offset. In plants, an offset is a shoot coming off the base of a plant. In plumbing, you have a pipe and it has to go round an object. That is an offset. Something could be an offset of something else. Okay, a different, an offshoot, something that comes from something else. And if something is offset, it's not centered maybe. So the pictures were offset from the center of the room. You need to put it at an angle. You need to offset it, to contrast. Okay, the blue t-shirt offset the blue of his eyes. I'm sorry guys, I've been very remiss. There is also one other meaning. The beginning of something. In English we have the phrase the onset of something. Well, you can use the offset of something as a synonym. So the offset of something, the beginning, when it starts. So there were problems with this project from the offset, from the onset. Offset, onset, same meaning. At the offset of the race, it was raining. Okay? So, offset. Neutral, use anywhere. Irregular verb, offset, offset, offset. Meaning to counterbalance, to reduce the effects of something, to counteract, to make an allowance for. Offset printing, an offset shoot, an offset pipe, something that branches off from something else. Offset, not centered, not vertical, not horizontal. To juxtapose, to contrast one thing against another. And the offset, the beginning of something. So there you go. That's quite a lot of meanings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Offset.